Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Good evening. Mic check. Mic check. Can y'all hear me? Hey, this is Booker Williams coming to you live. It's about 10:49. If you're listening to it live, give me a thumbs up. And if you're listening to the replay, and I know a lot of people will, just put hashtag replay. What I wanted to talk to y'all tonight about is don't hate the messenger, because you can miss a message that'll make you an opportunity of a lifetime. I got a call from a guy just a few moments ago, and they had let him go from his job. What's going on, Siobhan? Welcome to the party. Anyway, this guy, he was doing good. I approached him a while back, and he said, he's good. He's doing all right. And he was making over six figure, had a nice family, nice house, nice cars, kids going to private school, the whole nine. But all of a sudden, because of this recession, a lot of people don't want to say a recession, but it was, and the virus, they let him go from his job. So right now he's panicking right now, wondering what he's gonna do. So he gave me a card, and he gave me a call. Sorry about that. He gave me a call, and we're gonna be working on a plan to get him back on his feet within the next 6 months. And the whole moral of the story is, guys, I'm gonna tell you. I know. Look, I'm a guy. We have egos, and a lot of times we be thinking and putting on that front that we are right, and actually we not all right. You have people that's making high six figures that don't even have $3,000 or $4,000 saved up. So I'm gonna tell you, let's drop the egos and let's trade them in for equity, because we have family, we have kids, we got bills, and we got to have more than one stream of income. I've been saying this for the past, at least 6 years. And I don't care what nobody say. It's like when you have a new car, in the back of that car, they have a spare, right? Now, this is a brand new car. That's what you call a clue. You have to have a backup plan. I don't care what's going on, preacher. I don't care if the car is brand new. I don't care if you're making 100,000, 200,000. If you're not the CEO of that company, they can let you go at all times. And I don't try to frighten nobody. I'm just making people aware. Think about it. You got to have a backup plan. That's all I wanted to do, is just get that message across. I'm about to lay it down, but it's Red Eye Nation. I got some big goals, and y'all don't get relaxed, because right now we got about 5 months. And if you want to hit them goals, it's not too late. Hey, y'all can contact me. I don't care about egos. I don't care about titles. None of that stuff pays any bills. So y'all know how to contact me. Hit me in the inbox, and I'll be more than happy to share with you what I'm doing. It's about almost 11 o'clock, Hey, we got to burn the midnight oil sometimes. But I hope y'all have a magnificent, marvelous, blessed day tomorrow. And y'all get some sleep, and just think about tonight. What am I going to do for the next 5 months? With that being said, Booker Williams, out.